Hi, on today's tips, I'm going to talk to you about personal vault. For those of you who do not know what is a personal vault is a part of OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage provider which stores files in the cloud. So personal vault is a part of OneDrive. So if you have Windows 10, Windows 10 comes with default. Now, how can you take advantage of a personal vault? It gives an extra layer of security to files that are stored in cloud. For instance, you just have, let me say, as a quick example, this is my passport, I have a work permit, I have a driver's license, I have some troubling documents, health insurance, financial plans. What if I lose all these things? What if someone steals all these things? It's probably good to have my passport, my personal and sensitive documents on my computer or on my OneDrive, but I don't want to do this because someone might get my username and password easily and can access my password information through my OneDrive. Confidential informations that are so important to me should be saved in personal vault. Now, so on this PC today, let's jump into the PC. Let me show how OneDrive actually works. On my PC here, as you can see, when you sign into a Microsoft Teams 365, make sure you sign in and then you go to your OneDrive. You sign in into your OneDrive account. When you sign in into your OneDrive account, you are going to see this. This is a personal vault. Like I said, personal vault is a part of OneDrive. So it is in OneDrive. You can actually download personal vault on your desktop. You can download it on your mobile phones. You can access it anywhere, and you save and store your personal and sensitive documents in here because it counts with a two-factor verification. For those of you who don't know what is a two-factor verificator, before you open, when you save documents on a personal vault, it asks you for your email or a text message or a Face ID or a 6-code PIN where you can insert your numbers and then you can access it so that nobody can get access to it. Even if you get into my PC, with my personal and authenticated numbers, you cannot get access into my personal information. So this is the importance of personal vault. Now let me show you how personal vault works. Now when you get into your PC, if you look right, so here I am on my Microsoft OneDrive account. If you don't have an account, you can actually sign in. It is free. You can actually sign in using your mobile devices, so you can access your documents wherever you are. As you can see, these are my documents in my folders. If you look right down here, you are going to see an additional folder which says personal vault. The difference between a standard folder and personal vault is that with a standard folder, if I click on this document, it's going to actually open and then you get access to the documents. Somebody can just get into your PC and click on your folder and get access into your private, personal and sensitive documents. But with personal vault, it will require you to either get an email verification, a text message, or Google authentication. That is a 6-figure PIN code number where you can actually use to access your files. Like if I click here, right here, if I click on personal vault, it's going to require me to use my email address, which you are going to see. I'm going to use my email address to verify my account because you can't get access into your account without having an email verification. So actually they have sent a code on my email. I'm going to check the code. The code is right here. Most code, and here you have 2278803, 22784, 2278803, 2278803. Yeah, and then you click on examine and wait for a while. This is how personal vault works because it is not actually open. It has a lock. Yeah, it is now open. Now you come here. As you can see, personal vault is empty. Without a Microsoft Teams subscription, upload 3 files. You can actually upload 3 files if you are using a free account, but Microsoft Teams 365 allows you to upload only 3 files. If you want to upload more than 3 files, you have to go on premium. So you have to be selective and check on the important documents like passport, driver's license, work permit, traveling documents, insurance plan, financial plans, everything that you think is sensitive and very private for you. Any private information, you can store it here without fear of anything. Now you click on upload and you will go to your files. When you click on your files, for instance, I want to send my lesson plan on my computer. Just click here, drag and drop on my personal vault. That is when I can actually drag and drop about 3 files. And drag and drop about 3 files. So this is how personal vault works. At the end of it, as you can see here, these are all the files I've just drag and drop. They are secured because they are my personal vault. If I go back and I want to open my personal vault, the personal vault after 20 minutes is going to close. Yes, when it closes, right here you can come here and say you can lock it here. Or personal vault settings, free. You can set it here using your personal 6-figure PIN code. You can actually lock it here like my own have locked. After 20 minutes, if I want to access it back, I have to get verifications. This is how you put your personal and confidential documents on personal vault. I hope you have learned something from this personal vault, and from now you can store your documents, important and sensitive documents, using personal vault with Vision 101. Until next time, see you. Bye bye. Have a great day.